Good morning everybody. Today we're going to learn a new sound. Our sound is ul. My turn. Ul. 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 Leg. Link. Ladder. Lorry. Lolly. Yummy. Leg. 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 Same. Leg. Leg. Same. Leg. When I show this side of the card, you say leg. When I show this side of the card, you say Are you ready? Fantastic. Let's hide in our pack of sounds. When you see remember to say the sound and wave. Ready? Fantastic, well done. Let's write all together. Watch me. Down the long leg. Down the long leg. You have a go. Pick up your pencil. Remember to hold it. 2 fingers and thumb. Start at the top and go down the long leg. You say it and write it. Down the long leg. Down the long leg. Super writing. Let's have a go at writing some of the other sounds we've learnt. Let's write P. Down the plat and round the pirate's face. P. Down the plat, around the pirate's face. P. Have a go at writing Down Nobby, over his net. G. Round her face, down her hair, give her a curl. G. Brilliant, well done. Put your pencil down. Let's say hello to Fred. Fred can't talk like us. Fred can only say the sounds in the words. We have to put them together for him. Let's see what Fred is going to say today. I, p. I, p. Lip. Et. Et. Let. S, e, o. S, e, o. Sell. One more. W, e, o. W, e, o. Well. Brilliant, Fred talk. Well done. Let's have another go and see how quickly we can go through our sounds today. Ready? Let's have a go at doing some more Fred talk. I'm going to Fred talk the word this time and see if you can work out what the word is. Ready? K-ot. K-ot. Cot. Up. 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 B-in. B-in. Bin. B-ad. B-ad. Bad. K-a-n. K-a-n. Can. K-at. Cat. M-a-d. M-a-d. Mud. K-it. K-it. Kit. Super Fred talk. Let's have a go at making some words with our cards. I want to make the word cup. Cup. K-up. Cup. What sound do I need first? K-up. K-up. K. I need k. K. What's the next sound we need? K. Ah. Ah. K. Ah. P. P. I need p. There it is. K. Ah. P. Cup. You try. Cup. Brilliant. Well done. I want to make the word mud. M-a-d. Mud. What's the first sound in mud? That's right. Ah. It's already up here. A. D. There it is. D. Dinosaur. A. D. Mud. You try. Fantastic, Fred talk. Let's have a go now at using some of the magnetic letters. I want to make the word bin this time. Bin. B-I-N. Bin. What's the first sound that I need? B. Well done. B. B-I. B-I-N. B-I-N. Bin. You try. Super Fred talk. I want to make the word cot. K-ot. K-ot. K-o. Cot. K-ot. Cot. Your turn. Fantastic. Let's have a go at reading some of our word cards now. Watch me first. Fred talk. K-it. Say the word kit. You try. Fred talk. Read the word kit. Fred talk. Read the word cup. Well done. Fred talk. Read the word cot. Fred talk. Read the word up. Fred talk. Read the word Fred talk. Read the word bad. Fred talk. Read the word can. Fred talk. Read the word cat. Fantastic. Fred talk. Read the word mud. Great work. Now, let's have a go at writing some of the sounds, some of the words that we've been reading today. Now, I want to write the word mud. So, everybody show me 3 fingers. Let's pinch the sounds in mud. Ready? D. Let's do it again. D. Mud. Can you write the word mud? D. Have a go at writing the word if you can now. Let's write it together. What's the first sound we need? D. Have a look at mine. Have a look at yours. Did you get the sound first? If you did, give it a tick. If not, fix it now on the top. Did you get the sound? Give it a tick if you did. Did you get the D? Give it a tick. Well done. Let's write the word can. Show me 3 fingers. And let's pinch the word k-a-n. K-a-n. What's that first sound we need? K. And then a-n. Have a go at writing. Can. K-a-n. You write it now. Great try. Let's write it together and see if you got it. N. Did you get the k sound first? Give it a tick. Did you get the a? And did you get the n last? Great job. Let's do one more. I want you to write the word cat. So show me 3 fingers. Let's pinch the word cat. K, a, t. Do it again with me. K, a, t. Cat. You have a go at writing cat. K, a, t. Cat. Let's do it together. K, a, t. Did you get the k sound first? Give it a tick. Have you got the a? And have you got the t? Give it a tick. If you didn't get it quite right, write the right sound up above. So you've written cat. Fantastic. We've learned the sound today. And we've practiced all our other sounds that we've been learning too. You've read some words and you've been writing words. Fantastic job.